Welcome to the Workbook Editor. This is where you'll design, build, and publish your data visualizations in Strato. Here are the key areas you'll be using. The header contains settings and controls for managing your workbooks. From here, you can go back to the lobby, connect to data, edit your workbook name and workbook details, and preview and publish your workbook. The action bar lets you manage the layout and sheets in your workbook. The sheet is the main area where you'll create your visualizations. You can have multiple sheets within your workbook. The toolbar menu houses the visuals and controls to create your interactive content. Select and click or drag and drop to add them to your sheet. Right-click onto the visualization to add manual data. You can manage the appearance of your workbook and add data to your visualizations by using the Properties panel. Use the Workbook tab to apply settings and themes to the workbook. The settings on the Object tab vary as they apply to the object you've selected in your workbook. Thank you for watching. For more help, please visit help.strato.io.